Agent Workflow here, guys. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys an open source speech to text model that competes with the proprietary best performing offering from 11 Labs. I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what it is, and we're going to show how to compare us with the other ones, and then we're going to do a little collab demo, and of course we're going to brainstorm some profitable use cases, guys. So Kuroko, guys, it was released a couple of months ago. It was only an 82B model. It's small, fast, open source, and free, and it runs locally and even in the browser. You can't clone it yet, but version 2 is planned very soon. But for now, you can remix different voices. That's pretty cool, guys. So I'll show you how it's done. So if you go to Hugging Faces, you can see the repo. It's by this dude named Hexgrad. So shout out to him, because this library is very cool, and I think it'll be very useful for a lot of applications. Yeah, so not only is this an English one, but it can do Spanish, Italian, French, Chinese, and a bunch of different languages, and it's very easy to get started. Let's go. So all you have to do is copy this into Colab or Python, and you can get going. Why do we like this, guys? It's because 11 Labs, it's even though it's the leading best performing one, it is very pricey. It's about 10 cents a minute to do this. So if you're doing an application, and unless you have real customers who are willing, it can get very expensive to deploy this. But by using a free one that's comparable, we can practice with a lot of different use cases, and we can open up more opportunities that it might not be viable to do the way that 11 Labs is set up, right? I'll show you guys, and you guys decide for yourself. So if you go to TTS Arena, this is run by Hugging Face. You can battle different voices, right, guys? But I'll show you the leaderboard. So 11 Labs is number 1, but Kuroko, which is much smaller and free and can run locally on the browser, is number 5. And I think this is the older model too, so version 1 should be much higher than even these. So that's why I'm very excited about this, and I want to show you guys how it is. But let's check out the battle, guys. You can compare the different voices. So here we have 11 Labs on the left and Kokoro on the right. Look at the different sound and how it synthesizes, and tell me what you guys think.
Let's finish this demo.
See, guys, so in some ways I like the Kuroko better. It sounds more realistic, right? Okay, so not only can we do the voices, but like I said, we can do different languages, all these languages, guys. Even Hindi, to all my Hindi followers, English, Japanese, Mandarin, Portuguese, and on top of that, we have a bunch of different voices. My favorite one is Nicole, but you can see there's a bunch of male and female ones. The female ones are really good, much better than the male ones, but it's there. And then we have different accents too, guys. British, Japanese, Mandarin, it just goes on. So I mean, I can't believe this library is free, and how good it is in quality, right? You guys see the comparison of it. If you guys want to play around with it, go back to Hugging Face, and then you can type in your text, and you can pick the different voices, and you guys can generate the voices and check it out. So when I showed you guys, just copy that earlier code, right, where I showed you guys, and put it in and install the library. And then in the demo, guys, you just change this text to whatever you want. You can change from A to the different languages there are, and you generate, guys. So this is just running on a Colab. So if you are running on a more powerful CPU settings, the response rate is almost near time. But listen, guys.
Agent Workflow here. Thanks for subscribing. This channel showcases top AI coding IDEs, workflow automation, and developer tools with real-world use cases. Let me know what you'd like to see next.
Not bad, right, guys? And then you can also, so I did, for this one, I did the heart voice, but I'm going to show you guys another voice, and tell me what you guys think of this one.
Hi guys, this is not Samantha from the movie Her, and I am not Sky from OpenAI Assistant, and I am for sure not Scarlett Johansson. Don't sue me. Love you guys for watching. Now let's build some AI saws.
Not bad, right? It didn't get the SaaS part right, but for the fact that it's free and open source and you can run it locally, it's very incredible. And it got the voice, I think it's very similar to Sky and Samantha, and not Scarlett Johansson, right, guys? So very impressive. Yeah, guys. Another thing that you can do with this is, even though you can't clone your voice yet, which is coming in version 2 according to the developer, you can mix the voices, right, guys? You can average the voices, or you can create some sort of weighted mathematical, and using that you can mix a bunch of different voices, and you can do a couple of females with a male and create a different voice, guys. So I'll show you guys a one. um,
How could I know? It's an unanswerable question. AGI is like asking an unborn child if they'll lead a good life. They haven't even been born.
Not bad, right, guys? So even though we're not able to clone a different voice, we're able to make different voices from the standard ones. What else, guys? Okay, so Zenovo from Hugging Faces has actually ported this library into WebML. And what that means is now we can run this using Transformer.js in the browser, guys. It's very nice. So I'll show you guys how it is. I think the library is called Kuroko.js. So make sure you check it out on the WebL community page. So I'm going to show you guys the Lewis British version, and look how nice it is, guys.
This channel is actually insane. I love agent workflow. I got my notifications on. Sending love from London.
Not bad, right, guys? So yeah, that's Kuroko, guys. A really powerful model. What do you guys think? What do you guys see using this library for? I can really see this being used for real-time AI chat bots. Used as an, we can probably even use this for sales lead gen or a customer service rep, because all this is now free, guys. All you need is like a decent computer, maybe like 8 GB, 12 GB for now, and you'll be able to do something and not have to pay a lot of fees to the API providers that do the TTS. So really excited to hear what you guys think. Leave a comment about what do you think we should do next with this voice, and how we can take this to the next level. Anyways, guys, thanks for following. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Sending lots of AI love to you guys. Okay, I'll speak to you guys soon. Thank you.